Hello everyone, Christojen here, and today we are going to talk about RPE. So what is RPE? It is the rate of perceived exertion. So everyone can use this RPE to train their fitness level. So the RPE range is usually from level 1 to level 10. And how do you gauge your RPE level? Is using the talk test. So later I'll ask Janice to do a running and a jogging exercise to see how comfortable she is when she's talking, so we can gauge her level for the RPE. Alright, so Janice is sitting down now. And so how do you feel, Janice?
Yeah, I'm feeling good and I'm comfortable right here.
Okay, so this is about RPE 1. Just sitting down, doing nothing, easily talking. Okay, so next one I need you to stand up. Okay, so standing up, how do you feel?
Okay, normal.
Still good? Okay, so standing up and some movement will lead you to an RPE 2. So almost effortless, but still doing something. And next I need you to do some maybe walking, some brisk walking. Okay, so Janice, how are you feeling now?
Yeah, I still can talk very comfortably and I'm fine.
Yeah, so talking very comfortably, and walking good is still about RPE 3. Okay, so I'm gonna move it up to an RPE 4, and that is about a jogging speed. So let's go. So she's jogging right now. And Janice, how's your day doing?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
At what time do you wake up?
Today I woke up about 7.
And how do you feel when you wake up?
I feel great. I can't wait to go out and jog.
Yep, so her jogging right now and she's still talking very comfortably. This is about RPE 4, and I'm going to increase it to RPE 5. She's jogging. You can see her fast jogging. You can see her arms are moving faster, her legs are moving faster. So Janice, how do you feel right now?
A little bit out of breath.
Okay.
Okay, carry on.
Alright, so that's for RPE 5. Next, moving up to RPE 6, a running speed. Alright, let's go. So she's running. Okay, Janice, what's your plan for today?
Today I'm going to eat Subway and then do my workout video.
Okay, so now running pace. Right now it's going for RPE 7. Okay, next we're going for RPE 8. Even running even faster. RPE 9. Okay, stop for a while. Okay, why do we stop for a while? Because if you are going to RPE 10, usually we only can last it for about 10 seconds. So save some energy for the RPE 10. How do you feel at the level 8 and level 9?
Now it's a little bit hard to really talk properly because I need to take a break.
Yeah. So if you're running for RPE 7 and RPE 8, it's usually training for your 2.4. So try to maintain that pace and try to maintain that level of effort. So remember that amount of effort and to use that to train for your 2.4. So if you're rested enough, you want to go for your RPE 10?
Yes, I'm ready.
So you can take the camera. Okay. And ready to go for RPE 10, which is sprint it all the way. Try to last it for about 10 seconds.
Okay, ready? Let's go! I can't even talk!
Alright. So let's catch some breath for RPE 10. So after the demonstration by Janice, I can tell you that her RPE 7 and my RPE 7, or even your RPE 7, is totally different, because her RPE 7 can be running at 10 kilometers per hour, but maybe a slower runner can have an RPE of 8 to 9 but running at maybe 6 kilometers per hour. Or even a stronger or faster runner can have an RPE of 4 or 5 but running at maybe 12 or 11 kilometers per hour. So the purpose of using RPE training is for your body to be aware of how you're feeling and the amount of effort you're exerting. So you have a training for a 2.4 kilometer run, you shouldn't be using an RPE of 7 and below, because that is more for endurance run or long distance running. You should aim to train for an RPE level of 7 and above to see some results. So if you're going to pace your friend for training, that won't be an optimal way, because his RPE and your RPE is different. But if you're going to use a buddy for safety reasons, sure, go ahead. So if you're going to train for faster speed and faster power, you can always train it at RPE 9 or 10 to increase your speed and power. So that's all for this RPE lesson. Remember to try this RPE and comment below on what's your level and what's your speed, how do you feel about it, and remember to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.